Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix our download shortcut not working issue on iPhone. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, when you share on and download the video from our download, so here it is. Tap on our download here. So guys, our download is not working on my iPhone. Here something went wrong. So simply go back now, and then after this, uh, open the Safari browser. Search here, search yes, download. So wait for it. Sorry, yes. Tap on first option, first website. So simply tap on download shortcut. So wait for loading. So tap on setup shortcut here. Tap on next, next. Tap on add shortcut. So tap on shortcuts. So here you can see guys, the yes download shortcut has been added on my phone. So simply tap on it. Tap on allow. Tap on OK. Go back now. Open Instagram again. Tap on reel. Tap on share and scroll down and simply tap on yes download. So wait for it. Allow all the options from here. So you can see guys, our download is working perfectly on my iPhone. So guys, sorry, yes download. So guys, yes download is best and good alternative for our download. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.